So today I'm unboxing and doing a quick review on Cog from the Transformers Siege War of Cybertron line. And you can see he's a deluxe class, and I really like the packaging that they have. It's basically not on a card anymore, it's just on a box. And it's nicely displayed. Over here you can see some box art on the side. And some more here. And let's take a look at the back. Here he is in his robot mode and his vehicle mode with 8 steps, and other how he can interact with other Transformers in this line, because he actually separates. So that'd be kind of interesting. Hey, let's get him unboxed and check him out. Here's how we transform him into his vehicle or vehicles mode. Just looking at the instructions, we just remove the guns and then we separate the body in half. Let's bring his head down like this, and then his arms just pop out, and we'll put him on this side. And there you go. Let's put him here. That way you don't have this hollow part showing on the outside. There you go. There is this vehicle mode. Let's put this aside. The legs come down like this. And they have these little tabs that go in here. And then the other 2 guns basically just go on here. There you go. The other little drone. And then afterwards the 2 can actually combine here. So there's a little tab and a little slot here. So they can combine. It's not a really strong connection, so not actually a big fan of it, but I'm not really a big fan of it, but it's yeah, it is a mode. So let's get a shot of this here. And then separated there like this. And then after, the other way is you can also break them apart to be separate weapons. Of course, breaking this guy apart like this, just the other 2 guns, and the legs can, let's open them up, pop out, and then it folds in like this. And this is, I'm not sure how, this is some sort of mode. I guess they could hold it from here, use it as some kind of cannon over here, or this way, I'm not sure. But in the packaging art, they are oriented like this. So we have that. And this. Then over here, we can remove these arms. And this is basically it. It also has this mechanism to do this. So, which is kind of neat. I'm not sure. If I put the head up. Yeah, I can do this. Oh, here. Here's another sort of weapon. I guess if you were to use this, you probably want to turn the head around so it's not shown. There we go. But in the back of the box art, he just looks like this, like a little car. And then this and the torso basically become this. And another little cannon. I guess I don't. I guess they can attach on the back or something. Be some sort of cannon. On the instructions, there are different options here in terms of interacting, at least with Sideswipe. So when I get Sideswipe, I'll give it a try. Here are the weapons, along with their stats: Circuit Welder, Electro Scrambler, HF Spectrum Disruptor, Neuron Synthesis Shield, and Thermal Booster. Okay, well that's it.